Have you ever been to an airport and didn't know what to say?
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
It's right over there.
Learn airport English step by step.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Emma.
Yes, I am.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 10 a.m.
We should leave now.
Let's call a taxi.
Good idea. Where are you going?
To the airport, please.
We are almost there.
Great! Is very busy today.
Yes, there are many travelers.
Where is the check-in counter?
It's over there.
Good morning. I'd like to check in. May I see your passport? Here is my passport.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure. Your luggage is within the limit. That's good to hear. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you very much. Which gate should I go to? Gate 12. Let's go to security.
Okay. Please show your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Put your bag on the belt.
No problem.
Please walk through the scanner.
Certainly.
You're all set.
Thank you. Security was quick.
Yes, it was.
Let's find gate 12.
Follow me.
We have some time before boarding.
Let's get a coffee. What would you like?
A coffee, please. Thank you for coming with me.
You're welcome.
See you soon.
Have a safe trip.
May I see your boarding pass?
Of course.
You may board now.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Can I help you find your seat?
Yes, please.
Your seat is 14A.
Thank you.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay.
Welcome aboard.
Huh?
We are ready for departure.
I'm excited for this journey.
Enjoy your flight.
Great job! You just learned essential English conversations used at the airport. Which airport phrase was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more English conversation stories. See you in the next lesson!